In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply Robinhood options. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what Robinhood asks in the application, and what to expect after you submit. First, open the Robinhood app on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the main screen, head to your account area. Depending on your layout, this is typically the person icon or the menu in the lower corner. Inside your account, go to Settings, then select Investing. This is where Robinhood keeps the controls for features like options. Next, find Options Trading and tap Enable. You may see a brief disclosure or an overview of risks. Take a moment to read anything presented here so you're clear on what options involve, since they can be complex and carry higher risk than stock investing. Now you'll fill out your profile. Robinhood uses this application to understand your experience and whether options are suitable for you. Expect questions about your investing background, your finances, your goals, your knowledge of options, and your risk tolerance. Be honest and accurate. There isn't a single right answer. The goal is to match your access to your situation. If you're unsure about a question, answer conservatively and stick to what you genuinely know. When everything looks correct, submit your application. In many cases, you'll get a decision shortly after, sometimes almost immediately. Other times, it may take a bit longer while they review. Keep an eye on your in-app notifications and your email for updates. If the app doesn't refresh right away, closing and reopening it can help you see your status. If you're approved, Robinhood will assign you a level. Most users receive Level 2 or Level 3 access. Level 2 typically allows foundational options, strategies like buying calls and puts, which are straightforward ways to express a bullish or bearish view. Level 3 unlocks more advanced strategies, such as certain spreads, which can manage risk or reduce cost but come with their own trade-offs. Your level is based on the information you provided about experience, finances, risk tolerance, and knowledge. If you aren't approved, don't worry. That simply means Robinhood's review didn't match your current profile to options access. You can continue learning, review your answers for accuracy, and try again in the future once your experience or financial situation changes. To recap, open Robinhood, go to Account, then Settings, then Investing, tap Options Trading and Enable, complete your profile carefully, and submit. Watch for your approval and your assigned level, and always trade within your experience and comfort.